Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
There it is, completely installed. I just drilled into the chassis and put some screws in, but my brother has a riv nut tool that I'll go ahead and use whenever I get it, and so I'll drill out those holes, put the riv nuts in, put in nice bolts later. But for now, I was just tired of having the skirts just sitting around, so I threw them in. Hope they look good. I think they look good. Testing out the rewinds. I think I like them. I mean, I have some $1,000 SSR reverse smashies, but I can't seem to find the sizes that I want and at an affordable price for watts. I picked these up a while ago, and I don't care. Maybe I'll throw them on. I'm not trying to win some points for original wheels. So hopefully, I don't know. Maybe soon. Maybe I'll go get tires for them soon, then I'll throw them on. I'm not sure if I like the polished lip. I might just spray them all black. Stay tuned.